Today I'm making a very quick review about this cute little doctor costume for kids. It comes in this very nice little box. You'll see everything is individually wrapped. Inside you're going to find their stethoscope and you're going to find their doctor costume. So this is like a lab coat, and then they also have their little name tag. Once you get everything unpacked, you'll find that you have some very nice quality stuff. So the stethoscope itself is made out of real metal. It's really well made. The little earpieces are kind of rubberized with like a silicone on the end. You have the end piece here also made out of a solid metal, and then it has like a little bit of a little kind of drum finish on the other side. And then it also has this rubberized tube that you attach to the earpieces. And then you have the lab coat itself. This coat is very similar to like a graduation gown type fabric. So it has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it is very soft, feels really nice. It is a pure white. It has these really large buttons that are very easy to button, so you don't have to worry about that on your kids. And then again, you have this little clip where you can clip their name tag. It's also nice because it has a nice little open spot here where you can actually write their name and maybe even put their photo on the badge if you want to, so that's really cool. Now that I have the stethoscope put together, it was very easy to put on, and to be honest, it feels very, very sturdy. So it took a little bit of pressure from an adult to get these on there. I do not think my daughter is going to be able to pull these apart very easily, so I do appreciate that. It's not going to fall apart. And again, it feels extremely realistic. Even the earpieces kind of have that automatic close on them, just like a real stethoscope would be. So I don't expect she's going to have any frustration or issues with these staying in her ears. So that's really cool. It does actually work. So you do want to be careful that your kids are not yelling in one end while somebody else has these in their ears, but these work just like a real stethoscope. You can hear with them. And again, these fit pretty tightly in the ears. So I like that because my kids don't get frustrated that they keep falling out. And the lab coat, very well made. If I kind of open this up, you'll see that it's got nice little pockets. The stitching is done very nicely. You can see that's double stitched. Everything is attached really well. All of the edges are finished really nicely. So the bottom of the coat itself is stitched very nicely. There's pockets on both sides, which is cool. And then it does have a few different buttons as it goes down. Overall, if you're in the market for a nice little doctor's coat, stethoscope, and little badge for your kid, whether this is a costume or just something they're going to play with, highly recommend it. Very hyper realistic. I think my daughter's absolutely going to love this. If it's a product that you've been considering, hopefully my review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not. This is a product that the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased review as a mom of 4. We are really looking forward to giving this to our daughter, and I think she's absolutely going to have a blast with it.